hi, are you here for a viewing with us at 265C Punggol? Alright, welcome to Punggol Emerald. This is one of the closest clusters to the MRT station, just 7 minutes walk from Punggol MRT station as well as Waterway Point. Alright, shall we head up to the house? This way. So this is actually one of the rarest clusters of HDBs in this area. So this block is what we call a point block, and as you can see from the floor plan, there is only 4 units, meaning 1 unit at each point. So this means that on each floor you only have 3 other neighbours and it's extremely exclusive. Shall we head on up? Alright. This unit is on a really high floor, and at a size of 990 square feet, this 4-room flat is a good size for you and your family. Come on in. So once you step in, you can see that the entire space is a really nice rectangular shape. The living and dining room are compartmentalized, so there's a place for everything. And now let me show you the kitchen first, on your right. So this layout is really good because the kitchen actually peeps out a little bit into the living room. What the owner has created was to knock down this wall and put a glass casement here so that as they are preparing their food, they can keep an eye on their children. So this kitchen, you can see, is really well maintained, fantastic condition. You can actually take over the kitchen as it is. It's also attached to a little yard area where the owners have already installed grills. So if you are planning to have children or have children, at least it's safe for them. Now let's head on out to the living room again and I'll introduce a little bit more about the renovations. So for this owner-wise, when they took over this house, they actually fully renovated the entire space, all the way from the flooring to the doors. So you can see that the tiles are homogeneous but really big size and really nice. And as you walk to this direction, I would like to show you the view. So as you can see, the view is really fantastic. You are overlooking the garden, and the next block is really far away from us, so you don't have neighbours peeping into your house. What's more, just on the left side, you can see Sutik LRT just at the corner. From our block is sheltered all the way there, so you don't have to worry about transportation, rain or shine. And now let's head on to the bedrooms. The bedrooms are tucked away at this corner, so it's tucked down the corridor where the bomb shelter as well as the common bathroom is. At the end of the corridor is the master bedroom. Come on, let's take a look. So you can see that the master bedroom is a really generous size, such that the owner is able to fit a super king size bed here. Not just a king size, super king size. What's more, at the corner where you can see another mattress, that's the area that you can actually do a built-in wardrobe as well. Currently, the owner is using the common bedroom for their wardrobes. Let's say if you want a walk-in wardrobe, what you can do is that you can combine these 2 bedrooms and put a wall as well as a door here so that this entire space becomes yours. For the last bedroom, it is for their kids. So you can see that they managed to fit in a queen-size bed very comfortably. I hope you enjoyed viewing this house. This is a really good location, a really high floor with fantastic view and a fantastic condition. At just 530,000, I would say that this is a really good value property. So for exclusive viewing to make this your home, call Property Runway today.